Learn English to Gujarati drive verbs, drive to,
ચાલાવવું,
and past forms. Welcome to the road. Hey, you are about to learn one tiny family of super useful driving words in English and Gujarati. Buckle up mentally, because this lesson is friendlier than a taxi driver who forgot to charge you. Today your main word is drive.
ચાલાવવું,
We will also practice the past and person forms.
હું ચલાવ્યું,
For I drove.
તમે ચલાવો છો,
For you drive.
તી ચલાવ્યો,
For he drove.
તી ચલાવી,
For she drove.
અમે ચલાવ્યું,
For we drove.
હંકારી,
For drove and.
તેઓ ચલાવ્યું.
For they drove. If your brain says, wow, that is a lot, tell your brain to sit in the passenger seat. The magic steering wheel. Let us make the word stick with a silly picture. Your memory loves drama, glitter, and slightly ridiculous traffic scenes. Picture a bright red car parked at your front door. On the steering wheel, glowing like a movie prop, is.
ચાલાવવું,
To leave the house, you must touch the wheel and say it. Now imagine a cool cat in sunglasses whispering, not meow, but.
ચાલાવવું,
Yes, the cat can drive. No, do not ask about its license. Feel your hands on the wheel, smell the car interior, and hear the tiny rhythm.
ચાલાવવું,
Vroom vroom.
ચાલાવવું.
Who drove the car? Now you will meet the whole grammar family. Think of them as one car, many drivers, and one very confused GPS. Drive is.
ચાલાવવું,
Example idea. I want to drive to the city. I drove is.
હું ચલાવ્યું,
Imagine you arrive and proudly announce, I did it.
હું ચલાવ્યું.
You drive is.
તમે ચલાવો છો,
Your tired friend throws you the keys and says, your turn.
તમે ચલાવો છો.
He drove is.
તી ચલાવ્યો,
In the story, the hero took the wheel.
તી ચલાવ્યો.
She drove is.
તી ચલાવી,
Surprise twist. Everyone expected chaos, but.
તી ચલાવી.
Perfectly. We drove is.
અમે ચલાવ્યું,
This is for your road trip team.
અમે ચલાવ્યું.
A general past idea of drove can be.
હંકારી,
It sounds energetic, like the car really meant business. They drove is.
તેઓ ચલાવ્યું.
Imagine three cousins arriving late, laughing, and saying, basically, yes.
તેઓ ચલાવ્યું.
Mini story on a chaotic highway. Time for a funny story. Just listen and let the repeated forms do the heavy lifting for your memory. Yesterday, a dog, a cat, and one deeply suspicious goat planned a road trip. The cat wanted to.
ચાલાવવું,
The dog claimed.
હું ચલાવ્યું.
Yesterday, and the goat pointed a hoof at the dog and said, no, no.
તમે ચલાવો છો.
Today. Then a narrator appeared for no reason at all and declared, last week.
તી ચલાવ્યો,
But today.
તી ચલાવી.
Finally, the whole animal team squeezed into the car and shouted.
અમે ચલાવ્યું.
The newspaper later reported only one mysterious word.
હંકારી,
By sunset, the villagers nodded wisely and said, yes, yes.
તેઓ ચલાવ્યું.
Quick drills. Now say the English in your head and let the Gujarati jump out. If it does not jump out, gently bribe it with imaginary chai. Drive.
ચાલાવવું,
I drove.
હું ચલાવ્યું.
You drive.
તમે ચલાવો છો.
He drove.
તી ચલાવ્યો.
She drove.
તી ચલાવી.
We drove.
અમે ચલાવ્યું.
drove,
હંકારી,
they drove,
તેઓ ચલાવ્યું.
tiny dialogues. Here are short spoken moments you can easily reuse in real life, or at least in your imaginary movie trailer. A. Do you know how to drive? B. Yes.
ચાલાવવું,
Is fun. A. Did you take the bus? B. No.
હું ચલાવ્યું.
A. Who is driving now? B.
તમે ચલાવો છો.
A. Who used the car yesterday? B.
તે ચલાવ્યો.
A. Really? I thought it was her. B. Yes, later.
તે ચલાવી.
A. How did your group get here? B.
અમે ચલાવ્યું.
A. Walked or drove? B.
હંકારી.
A. And the others? B.
તેઓ ચલાવ્યું.
Challenge round. You are doing great. Now I will quiz you quickly, like a game show host with absolutely no budget. What is the Gujarati word for drive?
ચાલાવવું,
How do you say I drove?
હું ચલાવ્યું.
How do you say you drive?
તમે ચલાવો છો.
How do you say he drove?
તે ચલાવ્યો.
How do you say she drove?
તે ચલાવી.
How do you say we drove?
અમે ચલાવ્યું.
What is another Gujarati word here for drove?
હંકારી.
How do you say they drove?
તેઓ ચલાવ્યું.
Friendly conclusion. Nice work. You just took one English verb family for a spin in Gujarati. Thank you for learning with me today. Keep practicing.
ચાલાવવું, હું ચલાવ્યું. તમે ચલાવો છો. તે ચલાવ્યો. તે ચલાવી. અમે ચલાવ્યું. હંકારી.
And
તેઓ ચલાવ્યું.
out loud. Repeat them tomorrow, make up your own silly car story, and let your Gujarati grow one ride at a time.